Hello friends.
Class 10 Unit 21 Health and Diseases lesson உடைய book back exercise பார்க்கலாம் இப்போ. Choose the correct answer. Tobacco consumption is known to stimulate secretion of adrenaline. The component causing this could be nicotine. World No Tobacco Day is observed on May 31. Cancer cells are more easily damaged by radiations than normal cells because they are undergoing rapid division. Which type of cancer affects lymph nodes and spleen? Lymphoma. Excessive consumption of alcohol leads to cirrhosis of liver. Coronary heart disease is due to insufficient blood supply to heart muscles. Cancer of the epithelial cells is called carcinoma. Metastasis is associated with malignant tumor. Polyphagia is a condition seen in diabetes mellitus. Where does alcohol affect immediately after drinking? Central nervous system. State whether true or false. If false, write the correct statement. AIDS is an epidemic disease. The statement is wrong, so it is false. AIDS is an pandemic disease. Cancer causing genes are called oncogenes. Here the given statement is correct, so it is true. Obesity is characterized by tumor formation. Obesity is not characterized by tumor formation, so the sentence given is wrong, so it is false. Cancer is characterized by tumor formation. In leukemia, both WBCs and RBCs increase in number. The statement given is false. In leukemia, only WBCs increase in number. Listen, in leukemia, only WBCs increase in number. Study of cause of disease is called etiology. True. AIDS is not transmitted by contact with the patient's clothes. True. Type 2 diabetes mellitus results due to insulin deficiency. False. It is not type 2. Type 1 diabetes mellitus results due to insulin deficiency. Carcinogens are cancer causing agents. True. Nicotine is a narcotic drug. True. Cirrhosis is associated with brain disorder. Cirrhosis is not associated with brain disorder, but it is associated with liver disorder. So the statement is false. Cirrhosis is associated with liver disorder. Match the following. Sarcoma, connective tissue cancer. Carcinoma, stomach cancer. Polydipsia, excessive thirst. Polyphagia, excessive hunger. Myocardial infarction, lack of blood flow to heart muscle. Fill in the blanks. Cirrhosis is caused in liver due to excessive use of alcohol. A highly poisonous chemicals derived from tobacco is nicotine. Blood cancer is called leukemia. Less response of a drug to a specific dose with repeated use is called drug tolerance. Insulin resistance is a condition in type 2 diabetes mellitus. Analogy type questions. First one, communicable disease. Example, AIDS. Non-communicable disease. Example, cancer. Chemotherapy, chemicals. Radiation therapy is given by means of radiation. Hypertension, hypercholesterolemia. Glycosuria, hyperglycemia. Assertion and reasoning type of questions. First one, assertion, all drugs act on the brain. Reason, drugs disturb the functioning of the body and mind. Here, assertion and reason both are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So option A, if both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Second one, assertion, excretion of excess glucose in urine is observed in a person with diabetes mellitus. Reason, pancreas is unable to produce sufficient quantity of insulin. Here the option is A. The correct answer is option A. That is, if both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So for both option, A is a correct answer. Expand the following abbreviations. IDDM, insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. BMI, body mass index. AIDS, AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. CHD, coronary heart disease. NIDDM, non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. ELISA, ELISA, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay.
Like, share and subscribe our channel. Click bell button for latest videos. Thanks for watching.